In a historic move, France's National Assembly has given a resounding approval to a bill aimed at securing and enshrining a woman's right to abortion in the French Constitution. This development comes as a response to recent setbacks in abortion rights, particularly in the United States. The bill, a key promise made by President Emmanuel Macron, received overwhelming support in the National Assembly with 493 votes in favor and only 30 against. The Justice Minister, Eric Moretti, expressed satisfaction, stating, and I quote, "Tonight, the National Assembly and the government did not miss their rendezvous with women's history." The proposed amendment, seeking to add language to Article 13 of France's constitution, emphasizes that the law determines the conditions by which the freedom of women to have recourse to an abortion is guaranteed. The constitutional amendment must now pass through the Senate and secure approval either through a referendum or by a 3/5 majority in a joint session of parliament. While none of France's major political parties is challenging the right to abortion, concerns have been raised by some members of the conservative majority in the Senate regarding the wording of the proposal, casting uncertainty on its passage in the upper house. The government's push for this constitutional amendment is partly motivated by recent events in the United States, where the Supreme Court overturned a 50-year-old ruling safeguarding the right to abortion. The bill's introduction highlights the global changes to women's reproductive rights, stating, and I again quote, "Unfortunately, this event is not isolated. In many countries, even in Europe, there are currents of opinion that seek to hinder at any cost the freedom of women to terminate their pregnancy if they wish." The mention of Europe brings attention to Poland, where restrictive changes to abortion laws in 2020 sparked widespread protests. The Polish Constitutional Court ruled that women could no longer terminate pregnancy in cases of severe fetal deformities, including Down syndrome.
Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.